Do you feel like your English sounds a little too formal or textbook-like? Today, I'll show you 5 everyday phrases that native speakers use all the time, and how you can use them naturally in your daily conversations. Let's make your English smoother, more natural, and more confident. The first phrase is, "I'm not sure," but native speakers use this when they want to answer politely, even if they're not 100% certain. For example, "I'm not sure, but I think the meeting starts at 3. This sounds natural, friendly, and confident, not robotic. Phrase number 2, "That works for me." Use this when you agree with someone's suggestion or plan. For example, "Let's meet at 2 p.m. Sure, that works for me. It's more natural than saying, "Yes, I agree with your idea." Phrase number 3, "I'll take care of it." This means you'll handle the task or you'll do it, and it sounds confident and natural. For example, "Can you send the report?" "Yeah, I'll take care of it." Phrase 4 is extremely common. "Sounds good." Use it when you want to approve an idea in a casual way. For example, "I'll call you later." Sounds good. It's friendly, natural, and works in almost every situation. And the 5th phrase, "Let me double check." Native speakers say this when they want to confirm something before giving a final answer. For example, "Are we still on for Friday? Let me double check." This makes you sound responsible and natural, not unsure or awkward. Here's a quick recap of all 5 phrases. "I'm not sure, but that works for me. I'll take care of it. Sounds good. Let me double check." Start using these daily, and your English will instantly sound more natural and native-like. If you want more practical English lessons like this, for speaking, writing, listening, and reading, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.